So if you're struggling with traceability on the factory floor, you're not alone. Missed data, paper logs, and delayed investigations all slows you down and puts quality at risk. So in this video, I'll break down the 5 most common traceability problems and how to solve them using practical tools and a digital system. So first up is that if you don't know what you're tracking and why, because without a clear objective, traceability becomes just another task rather than a useful tool. So start by defining what traceability should help with. Is it regulatory compliance, quality control, or supply chain visibility? Deciding what data you need, batch numbers, operator actions or inspections, and where it'll make a difference. Number 2, your problem isn't mapped out. If you don't know where traceability points belong, you'll miss critical data or maybe capture it too late. So start by mapping out your production flow from raw material to finished product, and then pinpoint where data should be captured, like after assembly stages, testing or packaging, and that's where your traceability steps should go. Third up, if you're using inconsistent IDs or none at all, because if parts aren't tracked the same way every time, traceability falls apart. So use consistent identifiers like barcodes, QR codes, or RFID tags through every stage of the process. And fourth is a problem if you're relying on paper or spreadsheets, because manual logs are slow, error-prone, and hard to audit. So switching to a digital production system will give you real-time data capture, operator activity logs, digital travelers, and live production tracking. No gaps, no guesswork, just clean data and full traceability. Number 5 is if your team doesn't know the system, because even the best tech won't help if people don't use it correctly. So train your operators on what to record, how to use the system, and why it matters. Systems that support operator skills validation, but so only qualified staff can do the right task, are ideal in this situation.